Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable live voicemail on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now here in the app section, simply scroll through the list of all the apps until you find phone option. And once you have located it, just tap on it. Now here, once you are in your phone settings, simply scroll down until you find the option labeled as live voicemail. And once you have found that, just tap on the toggle next to it to turn on live voicemail. And once enabled, this feature will allow you to see transcript of the incoming voicemail in real time. And that's it. That's how you can enable live voicemail on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.